What's going on, everybody? Jared here again, aka the Laughing Man. So I was waiting for some parts to show up, but it looks like I got some new microphones instead. So we've got no problems with the DJI Mic 2s that I have currently, but they don't connect to the X3. Talking to the Insta360 admin team, they say that these new Insta360 Pros will connect to the X3, so we'll find out here shortly. I got a really good deal on these ones. They're supposed to be new, but they're not in factory packaging. So let's go ahead and get these out of the package, and then we will go ahead and see if they'll actually connect to the X3, or sorry, yeah, to the Insta360 X3, and then we will go ahead and get it into my helmet so that I can actually do some vlogging with the X3. So right now the X3 is currently a dash cam for me, but I also can mount it on my helmet. I'm trying to get away from having multiple cameras. I just sold one of my cameras, but I've still got too many to count. But I really would like to be able to just connect it to this and be able to actually talk to you guys and have you be able to hear me on the freeway. So let's go ahead and get into this package and see what we got. Unfortunately, I don't have my knife with me today. That's definitely not in factory packaging, which is to be expected. That's what the listing said. All right, so we got the charge box. It's like the accessory pack and the microphones. I don't know why they wouldn't have just put those into the charge box. I don't think I'm gonna need those scissors anymore. Right there, and the carrying case, soft carrying case. All right, first let's open up the soft carrying case. All right. That's actually nice. A lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. There's actual some padding and stuff in there, so that's nice. I don't know how much I'll use it. I usually just with like my with my DJI mics, I just throw them into my the whole case into my bag. So then we got the charging case. Looks like it has been opened. Or not. No. Okay. It's not been opened. Or, no. Okay. Yeah, I thought that was sealing it shut. It is not. Alright, so here is the receiver. Take an inventory here. This feels like a windscreen. So we got one windscreen. Now there's going to be another windscreen. One of the Insta360 mics. Two Insta360 mics. We got the 3.5 to 3.5 for hooking it up to your camera. One USB-C to get stuff off of there and charge it. One USB-C adapter for the transmitter so that you can plug the transmitter directly into your camera. And here it looks like we've got our magnets. They're a lot smaller than the I keep getting these mixed up now. They're smaller than the DJI ones, it feels like. So hopefully they're just as strong. Okay. And it is branded DJI. Or sorry, oh my God. So it is branded Insta360. I just dropped the other one. So, I'm not sure. Sorry, right here. So, I know with the DJI one, you get both a Lightning and a USB-C adapter. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have both, but obviously I do not have both. It looks like that's just going to drop right in there. Alright, so those both fit in there. Let's go ahead and grab there, put it in, and I'm thinking these clips are supposed to actually get stored in there. I did purchase, oh, there's battery on it. I did purchase, there is a USB-C adapter that you can use a lavalier. And on here it says slide up to attach and slide down to disconnect. Or sorry, to remove. Alright, so it just pushes down. I will most likely not be using these two terribly much. Alrighty, got the dead cat on there. And actually, you know what? I take that back. I will probably be using these because this is going to be required to put it on. That off there. So on here, there is another cold shoe mount, so you can mount that onto the cold shoe mount, then mount this whole thing. So right now on my camera, I actually have the transmitter mounted on the cold shoe mount, but I have no way, if I wanted to go hands-free, I have to wear the microphone as to where, or swap out to my miniature shotgun mic as where I could just put this on. I guess, sorry, the screen's not very bright, but it is now paired to the transmitter and the receiver are now paired. I put it into noise canceling mode. To put them in noise canceling mode, you just tap the power button twice. To put the transmitter into pairing mode, you tap the power button 3 times. So the transmitter and receiver have now been updated. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over on my main camera here over to the new Insta360 one. Then we will take this other mic and we will go ahead and see if we can get that paired to the X3 real quick. Alright guys, now here we are in kind of a shotgun mic, here we are in kind of a shotgun mic setup with transmitter and receiver stacked on top of the camera. So it looks like, according to the wave graphs here, it looks like it's working pretty good. It's probably going to take a little bit of playing around with to get it right here, but you know, considering how far away it is from me right now, I think it looks like it's doing okay. Looks like it's doing fine. But more importantly, let's see if we can get this other one to connect to the Insta360. Alright, so camera is on. This is on. We will go ahead and put this into pairing. So 3 clicks. It's going to start flashing. So you click on the little earbud things. They'll start searching for the microphone. Oh, I actually found it. Now, go back to, so, yeah, there's now little buds at the top here, shows that it's connected. Alright, so we'll go ahead and do a short video. Wait for it to buffer to start the recording. I'll start. Hey guys, Jared here again, aka the Laughing Man, and we even have a plane overhead. Go ahead and turn on the noise canceling real quick, see if that does anything in the video as well. Seemed like it worked pretty good there. So the noise canceling kicked in there, and it sounds like the audio is recording from this. So now all I have to do is mount this into the helmet, and I should be able to vlog with this camera. I'm looking forward to that. Alright guys, so this was just a quick unboxing, and again, the main reasons why I purchased this particular microphone. I'm probably not going to get rid of these DJI mic ones because these are good to have. They're good microphones, they work great. But again, I wanted to be able to shoot in shotgun mode, and I would also like to be able to connect it to the X3 instead of buying another camera. I'll probably still end up getting an X5 or X6 when it comes out. But for right now, this for $200 is what I paid for this one because it was missing the factory packaging. This seemed like a better alternative for me. So that being said, guys, I think we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video right here, and I will go ahead and familiarize myself a little bit more with this, and hopefully this is a good microphone going forward. Thanks, guys.